So everybody, welcome to Ireland. My name is Owen Fox, so many of you know me. Thank you for joining me on your lovely day, your beautiful precious time and beautiful self. So here I am just cycling, and today I want to make a video to share with you about expectations and a little bit about assumptions. But basically speaking, expectations and to a degree assumptions are like huge challenges and learning growth opportunities in relationships. Like basically speaking, a lot of the time in my life I've seen it over and over, like within myself, and it's something that I'm learning and growing in. But what we do is we tend to expect people either to change or to be different than the way they are. We expect them to do stuff that we want, and we may not have even communicated it exactly crystal clearly with them. And even if we have, there has to be an agreement. There's the police up there. I probably shouldn't be cycling on my phone, especially on the main roads, but this is only a cycle lane anyway.